Your mitochondria, the tiny power generators inside every cell, are supposed to repair, recycle, and rebuild themselves every single night while you sleep. This nightly cleanup is one of the most important processes for energy, metabolism, and healthy aging. When this repair cycle works correctly, you wake up with fresh, efficient mitochondria ready to power your brain, muscles, and entire body. But for most people over 60, that natural repair system has slowed down dramatically. The signal that tells your mitochondria to regenerate is weak. The cleanup crew doesn't show up. And by morning, you wake up with the exact same tired, sluggish mitochondria you went to bed with, which is why so many older adults feel drained even after a full night of sleep. But here's the fascinating part. New research shows that eating 3 specific foods about 60 to 90 minutes before bed can kickstart this overnight repair process again. These foods activate the pathways your body uses to recycle old mitochondria and build new ones. And because you're giving your cells the exact compounds they need at the exact time they need them, the effect can feel almost immediate. Tonight, I'm going to reveal these 3 foods, explain why they work, and give you the simple nighttime ritual that takes less than 5 minutes but can transform how you feel every morning. To understand why this works, you need to know what normally happens during sleep. While you're resting, your body isn't shutting down, it's going into deep repair mode. Your brain clears out waste. Your immune system resets. Your hormones rebalance. And inside your cells, a process called mitophagy activates. Mitophagy is the quality control system that removes old, damaged mitochondria and recycles their parts into new, healthy ones. Think of it like a factory replacing broken machinery, so the entire system can run efficiently again. As you age, mitophagy slows. Old mitochondria begin leaking oxidative stress, producing less energy, and signaling your body to store fat instead of burn it. Over time, your cells accumulate more and more dysfunctional mitochondria, leaving you tired, foggy, weak, and unable to recover the way you used to. But certain natural compounds can flip this repair switch back on. And 3 foods contain exactly the nutrients your mitochondria need to regenerate effectively overnight. The first food is walnuts, and not just because of their healthy fats. Walnuts contain powerful plant compounds called elagitannins. Your gut converts these compounds into a molecule known as urolithin A, one of the strongest natural activators of mitophagy ever discovered. Urolithin A targets old mitochondria, marks them for removal, and helps your cells build fresh, fully functioning mitochondria. Walnuts are also rich in melatonin, one of the few foods that naturally contain it. Melatonin doesn't just support sleep. It protects your mitochondria from oxidative stress during the repair process. Combine that with the omega-3 fats inside walnuts, which help build flexible, efficient mitochondrial membranes, and you can see why walnuts are a nighttime powerhouse. Eat 6 to 10 walnut halves about an hour before bed for the best effect. The second food is 100% tart cherry juice. Not sweet cherry, not cherry flavor, not a cocktail blend. Tart cherries are one of nature's strongest sources of melatonin, anthocyanins, and quercetin. These compounds have been shown to enhance sleep quality, reduce inflammation, support mitochondrial biogenesis, and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Anthocyanins also help your cells activate the genes responsible for building new mitochondria. Drinking 4 to 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice 60 to 90 minutes before bed delivers these compounds into your system, right as your body enters deep sleep, when mitochondrial repair peaks. If it's too sour, you can dilute it with water. You'll still get the benefits. The third food, and everyone's favorite one, is dark chocolate, but it must be 70% cacao or higher. The magic of dark chocolate comes from its flavonols, especially epicatechin. This compound increases mitochondrial biogenesis, improves mitochondrial efficiency, and supports blood flow, so your cells get more oxygen during the night. Dark chocolate is also loaded with magnesium, one of the most crucial minerals for mitochondrial function, and a gentle compound called theobromine that boosts blood flow without disrupting your sleep. 1 to 2 small squares of high-quality dark chocolate is enough. Now let me bring this together into the exact nighttime ritual. About 1 hour before bed, eat 6 to 10 walnut halves, drink 4 to 8 ounces of tart cherry juice, and enjoy 1 to 2 squares of dark chocolate. This combination supplies melatonin, elagitannins, omega-3s, quercetin, flavonols, magnesium, and polyphenol, all working together to activate mitophagy, protect your mitochondria, and build new ones while you sleep. You are essentially giving your body the perfect raw materials to do the job it already knows how to do: repair and rebuild your cellular power plants. Here at Medical Truth Zone, we bring you science-backed methods like this because your energy, strength, and vitality depend on how well your mitochondria function. When you support them, everything in your body improves. Most people who follow this nighttime protocol notice deeper sleep within the first night. Within a week, they wake with more energy and less morning fog. And within a month, many feel stronger, sharper, and more resilient because their mitochondrial density has increased. If you're ready to feel a noticeable difference in your energy in mornings, try this 3-food protocol tonight. Then come back and tell me in the comments which of the 3 foods you liked most: walnuts, tart cherries, or dark chocolate. Your mitochondria are the engines that power your life. When you take care of them, they take care of you.